Hey there, I'm Meteorologist Kaiti Blake. This is your Encore Weather Current video update for Wednesday, July 9th. Daily chances of rain and thunderstorms are going to continue across much of the state through early next week. Now, on any given day, there's not a big risk for severe weather, but also on any given day, storms could have lightning, and so that means summer storm safety is going to continue to be very, very important. Temperature-wise, we continue to evade and stay away from the extreme heat, and that's due in part to what's going on with our overall weather pattern. This is affecting both temperatures and rain chances. So right now, Texas is stuck between two areas of high pressure. That one off to the east is really helping to pump in some additional moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So we're stuck in between these two features. That keeps our weather pattern a little more unsettled. We've also got an influx of moisture, and both of these things are helping to spur those daily chances of rain and storms. That added moisture means heavy rain is also possible at times. This is going to hang in place through at least early next week. There are some indications by middle and late next week we could see that change up just a little bit. But here in the short term, especially through the upcoming weekend, these daily rain and storm chances are going to continue. Here's Wednesday afternoon, 4 p.m. And again, this is not, rain and storm chances that are limited to just one part of the state. All the way from the Permian Basin to East Texas, these afternoon and evening thunder showers will be possible. This afternoon, I'm expecting a scattered coverage of these rain and storms. Again, lightning, heavy rain possible, also some gusty winds, not out of the question. These will wind down once the sun goes down each day, but we'll see the process kind of repeat itself as we get into each afternoon. This is Thursday, 5 p.m. into the evening hours. I expect a drop in coverage of rain Thursday and Friday, but then it will pick back up by the weekend. So here's your possible rainfall totals. This is not set in stone. This is one model's interpretation, but I think this kind of paints a good picture of just, where the rain will be. It's going to be across the state. So all areas, all regions of Texas have an opportunity to pick up at least a little bit of rain over the next several days. Folks that get, downpour one day, a downpour the next day, you could start to close in on 3/4 of an inch or an inch of rain by the end of the upcoming weekend. So keep that in mind. Summer storm safety continues to be really, really important. We've got a lot of folks out on the water, in the pool, on the golf course. Keep an eye to the sky. If you start to see some dark clouds, and especially if you hear thunder, make sure you move all people and pets indoors right away. The only safe place during a thunderstorm is indoors. So please keep safety top of mind. Temperature trends, generally 80s and 90s for our high temperatures. And again, this is due in large part to our overall weather pattern. We haven't had one of those heat highs or ridges of high pressure really build in and sit over Texas. When that happens, that's when we usually start to see those strings of triple-digit days, but we just haven't had that happen yet. It's not saying it's not going to happen at some point this summer. It likely will, but we've just managed to evade that so far. So no 100-degree days at DFW, Waco, or Tyler yet. However, out in Midland, Odessa, you guys have already racked up 13 triple-digit days. So in North Texas, DFW area, scattered thunderstorms today. Coverage drops Thursday and Friday, but there is still a chance. And then more scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours Saturday into Sunday. So again, if you've got outdoor plans coming up, make sure you continue to stay weather aware, and we will be keeping you updated here at Encore.